Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a project that actually runs, open Pycharm, choose New Project and point to Python 3. X. Select a virtualenv or condo environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once created, add a requirements. TXT or Python for repeatable installs and initialize, get inside the project to track changes. Make sure the interpreter path is correct in settings. Without that, run configurations won't work. After this, create a main, py and write a simple print to verify the run configuration. You'll write code using Pycharm's editor features to be faster, rely on code completion, quick fixes, and refactor tools to maintain clarity. Once you have code, set breakpoints and configure a run/debug configuration so you can step through execution and inspect variables. Use the integrated terminal to pip install packages into the active virtualenv and run unit tests with PyTest from the Test Explorer. As you code, run often and refactor early. It avoids big rewrites and surfaces runtime issues sooner. You finalize by preparing packaging and deployment. Create setup. CFG or piproject. Toml, build a wheel, or add a Docker file for containerized runs. Configure CI to run tests and publish artifacts, and make sure your run configurations point to packaged entry points. If something breaks, first check the interpreter and virtualenv path, then inspect Python path, run logs, and the console for import errors. One key troubleshooting tip. Invalid interpreter or mismatched virtualenv causes most failures, so reselect the correct interpreter and reinstall dependencies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.